Hello, I am MANTHAN SUTHAR. I am from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I completed my bachelor in computer application with 8.36 CGPA from DL Patel Institute of Management and Technology. And I have joined QSpiders Ahmedabad at Python full stack developer in July of 2024. And during that time, I have learned Python, SQL, and web technologies. And I have gained uh, communication skills for to doing presentations. And if I talk about the trainers and all staffs, so yes sir helps me a lot for in a grooming class, and as well as if I have any problems in Python, so he will give solutions. And I have placed in activist solution, and as a Python developer. And thanks a lot to QSpiders Ahmedabad.